My research lies at the intersection of form, function, and ecology, and it revolves around understanding the anatomical and the behavioral mechanisms that determine how species interact with their environment. So right now, I have two major avenues to my research program. One involves looking at the locomotor performance of the endangered salt marsh harvest mouse that is endemic to the San Francisco estuary, in order to better understand how they are adapted to and move through their flooded habitats. The other research avenue is focused on the feeding mechanics of the endangered San Clemente loggerhead shrike that is endemic to the San Clemente island of California, in order to understand how their prey capture proficiency develops from juveniles to the adult stage as they grow. Well, I don't get to interact a lot or collaborate with colleagues in the field, and so my graduate students perform a really important role of creating this intellectual environment where ideas are generated and activated. It also creates an environment that's very enriching to undergraduate research students that are sort of learning the ropes. And so basically it's the life that the graduate students bring to the party that's probably my favorite part about working with them. Well, I'm not particularly good enough at anything to be competitive about anything. So I'm really not that competitive, but I guess the closest that I get to being competitive is with World Cup soccer. Anytime the US is playing or Argentina is playing, there's always a lot of tension and yelling in the room. Random thing. There's not one specific thing, but I'm probably best at MacGyvering. I can be pretty resourceful, and I can probably fix any technological or mechanical issue with whatever happens to be laying around.